Hey Crafty Pieces, Angela Holt with Angela Holt Designs. I want to show you a bird's nest using different pieces of scraps and stuff that you have. This stuff was laying on my desk, you know, like little pieces of this, a little piece of feather or whatever, and I wanted to show you how you can take all of this and make a really beautiful shabby chic bird nest that you can use for your Easter decorations or, you know, just about anything you want to do. So I have a piece of pink tulle here, and what I'm going to start doing is I'm just going to start kind of layering in my hand, you know, different layers of things. Like I have a piece of seam binding here, like this. I'm going to put some pearl, lay some pearl off in there. I've got pieces of blue jean, little scraps of blue jean. And remember, don't ever get rid of your burlap pieces here. Here's some more. And then here's some silver. Here's another strip of lace. I'm going to put some more lace like this. And when you do this, you want to be kind of careful putting it together, so when you start to glue it onto a felt circle here. So here's some pieces of that pearl garland there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of twist this a little bit, and I'm going to get my glue gun here, and I'm just going to start right here. I'm coming off the edge of the felt a little bit, because as I do this, I want to work this around. So just kind of twist in a way and work this around, and then, but yeah, this is a great, fast, easy way that you can use up your scraps and make you a little bird's nest for this Easter. Like right there, I can just snip that, and then you just want to bring it on around like that. Okay, and no, it does not have to be perfect. That's what's so fabulous. It doesn't have to be you know. And then, and in fact, you can make these and make like little mini wreaths and stuff. So I'm going to fold in a piece of feather and kind of wrap this around in there like that. Hot glue that down, just like that. And then if you want, you can take more, like right here on the sides, you're going to wrap this around like that, and you can glue that blue jean down like that. If you want, bring it on around. You've got pearl up in here, so we're just going, you know, just start having a little bit of fun here. Just wrapping it around and tacking it in places that need to be tacked down. I got a bunch of silk in today. I'm going to start playing with some flowers. Okay. Then like right here, you know, press that down in there like that. And then I'm going to get another piece of feather or two like this. See, like these little scraps here, just bring them on around, and I'm going to put a few more pieces of blue jean in there like this. Bring that around. I'm going to put a little bit more of this pearl, and then I'm going to put a feather like that, and then I'm going to tack it down right here in the center. Just bring it on around like that. There we go. And maybe put another piece of blue jean right in there. And then you can take this and kind of stuff it in there like that. Because if you look at a true bird's nest, birds are very resourceful. They use different elements around their environment to make their nests. So I'm gonna put a feather right there. So be resourceful. Use up your scraps and stuff to make these cute little bird's nests or whatever you're wanting to do here. And then you're going to pin it right down there. And see, you can just coerce this to work. My mom's calling. You'll have to wait a minute. Okay, then go on around here. You can see you got some pearl up in there. Now here I might want to put another little piece of lace. I'm going to cut this down a little bit like that, and then add some more pearl, and I'm going to add another piece of twine, a tulle like this, and kind of give it a twist. I'm going to stick it right in there, kind of like that. Hold it, and then you can bring it on around. I'm going to put another little feather. These are turkey feathers, and I think May has them in her store. I'll have to double check, but I do believe she has these in her store. And then you're just going to glue on around like that. Then you're going to do the same thing to this side. Just like that. There we go. And then you can bring this feather on around like that. Just tack it down like that. You can bring this little piece here and tack it down just like that. My family's in the living room watching a show, and okay, right here I'm just going to tack, I'm going to put a little dot of glue there. A lot of people ask me what glue gun I use. It is a Sure Bonder detail tip glue gun. You can find it at Amazon, Joann's, Michael's. But it's Sure Bonder, SURBONDER, detail tip glue gun. That's what I use. So now you can spread this out. In fact, I'm going to put a few more feather. Do I have any more marabous in my scraps here. No, but I got it. So you can add a little applique if you want. You can, like, here's a little flower scrap. I might put that in there. Just little scraps of stuff. And I'm going to add another feather. Put that like that. Shove that down in there like that. I'm going to put a little bit of blue jean scrap right there. Okay. What I'm going to do is lift this on the side. Put that right there. Then bring it on around like this and just stuff it in there and then tack it down like that. Then right here, I'm going to do the same with that tool. Just stuff it in there and tack it down like that. Bring out some more feather. I need a feather right in here. Let's see. Ooh, here's a big marabou one. Okay, I'm gonna shove that one right in there like that. Tack it down and just kind of stuff it in there. Isn't that beautiful? And see, you can dress up and get these paper mache eggs and set them off in there. You can make these as big as you want or as little as you want. And here's a, I have a video tutorial on how to alter one of those little artificial birds. And see, you can set her right in there like that. And she has her own little nest. You can do that, but for right now, okay, so I still have some felt showing, so what I'm going to do is just simply snip that felt away. I'd rather have too much and not enough. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to snip this away like so. There you go. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. I'm going to kind of tack that down like that. And I still have some of this. I think I need some more silver up in here. So I'm just going to start a silver strand. I'm going to go right in there. I'm going to insert it right there. And then just kind of but I'll put a link in the description box for this video here to show you how I altered this artificial bird so you can make them for spring. So I'm just going to tack it down right there. Okay, and this stuff here, this pearl garland, is just, it's absolutely perfect for projects like this. So again, like I tell you, don't throw away your scraps. Don't do it, because you can do beautiful things like this. Instead of sticking with the traditional bird's nest, you can make yourself one. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And there you go. See? There you go. And like right here, I would tack that down a little bit. And this, my friends, is ready for you to put a beautiful altered bird in there, put it on a project, and hold artificial eggs like this. Like you can get you 2 little paper mache eggs like this and set them off in there like that. And you can keep them the burlap color or the paper mache color and just wrap your eggs like this in lace and just lay them down in there, whatever you want to do. So there you go. That's how you make a shabby chic scrap bird nest. So let me know what you think in the description box, in the comment section below, and I hope you make tons of these. In fact, I'm going to probably use this on a project that I have planned. So I'm just going to tack this down just a little bit. And but yeah, just use the scraps on your table. A little bit of felt and a little bit of imagination. So there you go. Until next crafty video, ladies, I'll see you then. Oh, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and help me reach 100,000 subscribers this year. That is one of my most amazing goals I have this year, and I know I can do it with all of you. So again, thank you so much for being a fan, and love you all. Bye-bye.